In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity on Wise. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth setup process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Wise app or navigate to their website. Once you're there, look for the option to register. Click on Register to begin the process of creating your Wise account. It's important to use an email address that you have easy access to, as this will be the main point of contact for your account. After entering your email address that you wish to register with, proceed to the next step by clicking Next. At this point, Wise will send a notification to your email to verify it. Check your inbox for this message and follow the prompt you find there to confirm your email address. This step is crucial as it ensures that you have a valid and active email linked to your Wise account. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want to set up. Wise offers both personal and business accounts, but for the purpose of our tutorial today, we will focus on creating a personal account. Go ahead and make that selection. After choosing your account type, the next screen will ask you to select your country. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and select Malaysia. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll need to provide your phone number. Enter your number accurately, as Wise will send a verification code to this number. This step is key for identity verification, so be sure to use a number that you have immediate access to. After entering your phone number, click Send Verification Code. At this point, you should receive a text message with the code. Enter that code into the prompt on your screen. This part of the process might take a few moments, so be patient. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a password for your Wise account. Be sure to choose a strong and secure password to keep your account safe. With your email verified and your mobile number authenticated, you can now proceed to log into your Wise account using the email and password you've just set up. And there you have it. You've successfully verified your identity on Wise. With your new account, you're all set to start using Wise for money transfers and other services. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your account setup process on Wise clear and easy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to check out Wise's Help Center or drop a comment below. Happy transferring!